The food supplement on review is Collagen Dipeptides. The recommended use by the manufacturers are the following. It is used as a collagen supplement to improve skin hydration, elasticity, roughness, and density. It has a reduction effect on eye wrinkle volume. It decreases the degree of cellulite and reduced skin waviness on the thighs. It improves joint mobility. It decreases joint pain. Before anything else, please check the recommended amount of the manufacturer. Since this is a food supplement, the manufacturer may have a different test and use done on it. The recommended intake amount is, for skin hydration, elasticity, roughness, and density. The adult oral intake is, using collagen peptides, take 2.5 grams per day of collagen peptides for 12 weeks is the minimum intake amount before seeing a good result. For skin hydration, elasticity, and dermal collagen density, the adult oral intake is, using collagen hydrolysate, take 10 grams per day for 56 days as the minimum intake amount. Or, using collagen dipeptides, take 10 milligrams per day for 56 days as the minimum intake amount. For the reduction in eye wrinkle volume, the adult oral intake is, for collagen in general, take 2.5 grams of collagen per day for 56 days as the minimum intake amount. For decreasing the degree of cellulite and reduced skin waviness on thighs, for collagen peptides, take 2.5 grams per day for 180 days. For improving joint mobility, please follow the recommended intake from the manufacturer. For decreasing joint pain, similarly, also follow the recommended intake from the manufacturer. This is to be taken with or without food. It can be taken any time of the day. Please take collagen supplements together with dermanutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, biotin, and a native vitamin E complex. Do not take collagen if you have allergies to it. If you have allergies to the ingredients, do not take more than the manufacturer's recommended dose. If you have an existing medical condition, please inform your doctor or healthcare professional. Do not take drugs that may impact skin reactions if not recommended by your doctor. For instance, glucocorticoids, anti-allergies, and topical immunomodulators. There is limited information available regarding the side effects of collagen, but in general, the product is well tolerated. But there are also some reports regarding the rare side effects of collagen like nausea and heartburn. Here is the advice for storing collagen. Store it in a cool, dry place and not in direct sunlight. Store it at temperatures not exceeding 30 degrees centigrade. Keep the product away from children. Here are some of the recommendations that you might want to keep in mind. Avoid excessive sun exposure, direct or secondhand smoking, and excessive alcohol intake. Remember that alcohol intake increases collagen breakdown. Exercise regularly. Get enough sleep around 7 to 9 hours per night if possible. Limit your sun exposure to 10 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week in direct midday sunlight. Direct midday sunlight means around noon in the middle of the day. Wear your sunblock properly. Use bovine collagen sources if you can. Bovine collagen sources are sources relating to cattle. The reason for this is that bovine sources have bioactive short-chain peptides, collagen type 1 alpha-1 and 2 chains, and collagen type 3 alpha-1 chains. In short, these collagen sources are closer to the human collagen profile. Other sources of collagen peptides are pigs, chickens, and marine sources, in decreasing percentage order, meaning bovine sources have the highest, and marine sources have the least number of collagen in terms of supply. Here are the health and safety tips. It is important to remember that healthy behavior is more important than supplementation alone. The best result comes from combining the two. Also, maintaining intact or healthy collagen is not as easy as taking supplementation. It involves a lot of discipline and hard work to maintain healthy and quality collagen in our bodies. Try controlling or avoiding stress. Chronic high-level cortisol levels can decrease collagen production in our bodies. Also, take your vitamins and minerals or a healthy balanced diet to work better with collagen supplementation. And finally, exercise. Thank you for listening. See you in my next video. Once again, remember that this is a food supplement and not a medicine. Do not replace your medication with it. If you need more information about this supplement, please visit your nearest pharmacy and talk to your pharmacist. And before I end this video, kindly check my YouTube channel, Pharmacist, for other videos. If you want to see my new video upload every week, please hit the notification bell and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Thank you.